Welcome back. A senator from Ohio is looking to do away with dual citizenship. Republican Senator Bernie Moreno has introduced the Exclusive Citizenship Act of 2025. The bill would make it so no one may be a U.S. citizen or national while also holding citizenship from another country.
If an American voluntarily acquires citizenship in another country, they would then relinquish their U.S. status. If passed, those who already have dual citizenship would then have to pick one or the other.
Now, while the U.S. government doesn't keep statistics on dual citizens, it's estimated that more than 40 million Americans are eligible. I want to bring in our chief legal analyst, Conley Rhodes, to break this down. So say this passes, and what would be the legal hurdles here? Because the Constitution protects some things saying, well, we just can't take your citizenship away, right?
This seems to be a great idea, except it's unconstitutional, so it's dead on arrival. Let me start there. 1958, a case called Perez came out, and Congress was attempting to revoke folks with foreign dual citizenship if they participated in foreign elections. Well, that was overturned in 1967 with a case called Rusk, where they held the government cannot, because it is, as you mentioned, a constitutionally protected fundamental right under the 14th Amendment. So I think there'd be absolutely zero chance that this stands constitutional muster. They can try to pass it, good luck, but there will be absolutely no chance that it's constitutional. Congress has tried to implement something like this on its own membership, where they want their own members to say, hey, you have to announce if you have dual citizenship when you're going to be a candidate, when you're seeking election, and those are things that they probably could do. And I'm not sure what limitations it could have, but to enforce their own party internal workings, their members to be able to do that, yes. But in terms of striking and removing your citizenship just because you or have citizenship somewhere else, yeah, I mean, I understand what this congressman in Ohio was saying, that when I came here from Colombia, I got rid of, and it was my proudest day to, revoke and remove any connection to my other country, but there's no requirement. So it's good for you, but it's not good for everyone else. So good luck with passing this and allowing Congress to do this and the Supreme Court to strike it down.
I know you said it would be DOA, but if it were to go forward, I mean, some of the brightest minds in our country, in the Carolinas, Khalif, are probably dual citizens. I mean, look at the research triangle. We got so many, that medical community and the work at Duke and others. What would that do to even just the job market?
Substantially diminish it. I mean, quote Elon Musk again, these individuals that come here are citizens from another country, come here to work because they're adding a benefit that we may not have at the time. So they're teaching, they're not just coming to work, they're instructing and giving their skill set to folks here so that we can learn. If you're now saying that you're going to have to make a choice, is what his words were, they're going to choose to probably stay at home because you're paying them a lot of money to come here to help.
And so enforcing this also for people who already have dual citizenship, very impractical, and it's retroactive punishment sort of, and that can't be legal either, can it?
I don't think any of this portion sounds legal. I mean, it's right now, I've said this a couple of times, we are, President Trump's request is to be American first, and any of these nationalist type of ideas that's putting America first. It sounds great on paper, but in actuality, something like this is going to be hard to implement, but they're giving folks that have dual citizenship, if this passes within the language, a year to, to revoke your other citizenship. But you got to think about it. The reason you have dual citizenship, maybe you have another parent that was born in another country, and you want to be able to take and appreciate some of the benefits that come with being a citizen of both. That's allowed. Now to say you can't because somehow you should remove your citizenship here, well, if you were born here, if you were born to an American parent, you're a citizen. So you're actually a citizen in both. That's going to be a problem, which I think constitutionally will be struck down. Retroactive punishment, unconstitutional as well. There'll be a number of problems with this.
Again, our chief legal analyst, Conley Rhodes, weighing in on this for us. And again, the congressman probably knows this, so the question is why even submit it in the first place. But Khalif, thank you for that.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.